on FACEIT is possible, but there are some rules and steps you need to follow. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1, log into FACEIT. 1, go to FACEIT.com. Please open your app to see this link. 2, click Login, use your account credentials. Step 2, go to Profile Settings. 1, click on your profile avatar top right. 2, select Settings. 3, go to the Account tab. Step 3, change your nickname. 1, look for Nickname Username field. 2, enter your new desired nickname. Must be unique, cannot contain offensive words. 3, click Save Changes. Open quote, note, FACEIT may require a cooldown period if you already changed your nickname recently. Close quote. Step 4, confirm. You may receive a confirmation email. After confirmation, your new nickname will appear on your profile and in matches. Step 5, restrictions, tips. Nickname changes are usually limited to once every 30 days. You cannot copy someone else's nickname exactly. Avoid using special characters that FACEIT doesn't allow. Pro tip. If your account is linked to tournaments or ladders, changing the nickname might temporarily affect team invites or stats display, so notify your teammates if needed.